came from a star that exploded too long ago to imagine. He said that this part of me had been formed from a tongue of fire that screamed through the heavens until it was our sun. And then this part of me, this tiny part of me, was on the sun when it itself exploded and whirled in a great storm until the planets came to be. And then this part of me was a whisper of the earth. And perhaps this part of me, when there was life, perhaps this part of me was a fern that got crushed and covered until it was coal. And then it was a diamond millions of years later. It must have been a diamond as beautiful as the star from which it first came. Or perhaps this part of me got lost in a terrible beast, or became part of a huge bird that flew above the primeval swamps. And he said, this part of me was so small. This part of me was so small it couldn't be seen, but it had been there since the beginning of the earth. And he called this bit of me an atom. And when he wrote the word, I fell in love with it. Atom. Atom. What a beautiful word. This experiment has shown some of the strange effects radiation can produce and how dangerous it can be if not handled correctly. Mr. Goodman said I should tell in this conclusion what my future plans are and how the experiment has helped me make them. For one thing, the effect of gamma rays on man-in-the-moon marigolds has made me curious about the sun and the stars, for the universe itself must be like a great world of atoms, and I want to know more about it. But most important, I suppose, this experiment has made me feel important. Every part of me, every atom, in everybody, has come from the sun, from places beyond our dreams. The atoms of our hands, the atoms of our hearts. Atom, atom. What a beautiful word.